When it comes to servicing your Oasis hydrant valve, I want you to remember three key things. Number one, interchangeable parts. Couplings, gaskets, seals, valve components, valve seats are all interchangeable parts between the Oasis hydrant valve and TFT's Ball Intake Valve series. They install the same way, they service the same way, and they're the exact same components. Number two, I want you to remember the resource library that's available to you 24/7. It includes service and maintenance videos for not only the Oasis hydrant valve, but all of our TFT firefighting equipment. Number three, I want you to remember that 3 times a year, TFT offers a Service University class. You pay to get to TFT and back home. We take care of the rest. It's available to any fire department around the world, and you can visit our headquarters and spend 2.5 days learning how to wrench, service, and maintain all of our equipment, whether it's a handheld nozzle or this Oasis hydrant valve. Hey, thanks for watching. To learn more about specific solutions that fit the needs of your response district, head over to tft.com/demo so we can help you perform at your best.